In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on agree in the pop-up if you never used this app before. Now click on this clock icon at the top left corner. And to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom. Now it's time to adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on ringtone. Tap on add ringtone at the top to pick any song from your device by clicking on it, and this way apply it as your new ringtone. Or select one of those melodies. You can also select repeat and this time pick one of those options. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you want it, select custom, click on it and choose days of the week manually. To save them, hit OK. Now use this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable this option, and finally hit label to name it. Then OK to save its name. Now to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the check mark again. To delete it, hold it and tap on delete at the bottom. To manage more options of your alarm clock, click on this gear at the top right corner and manage those sections, like additional alarm settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!